This is a place where rockets are built faster than ever thought possible. Many of these machines cannot be made by humans alone. Only through a new symbiosis of human and robot can these rockets be made real. In the future, many factories will build this way. For now, this is the first. Hundreds of years ago, thread was wound around bobbins to weave the sails that carried us across the sea. Today, Virgin Orbit winds carbon fiber into rockets. Inky black ribbons dance around the fuel tank mold with some of the tightest tolerances in the industry. This pattern is strong enough to bear the brutal pressure of supersonic flight and is unimaginably lightweight. Compared to conventional tanks, these linerless composite fuel tanks cut mass nearly in half and are built in days, not months. To build smaller, more efficient rockets, we need bigger, stronger machines. This is a CNC router, large enough to carve super exact details into massive fuel tanks and fairings. What used to take weeks and the steadiest of hands now happens in a single night without human intervention. Set on a precisely programmed path, the robot never becomes tired, never makes a mistake. This level of performance and precision demands meticulous quality control. Using ultrasonic inspection, no blemish goes unseen, even those hidden beneath the surface. This machine creates rocket engine parts seemingly out of thin air. Additive manufacturing builds something from nothing. And 5-axis milling carves each piece to perfection. No other factory on Earth, in any industry, combines these approaches in such a precise way. This is a completed rocket engine. Each component unified into a harmonious, elegant system. A magnificent machine, purpose-built for only one task: to move fuel and oxidizer to specific places at specific times. The result is simple but powerful. A beautiful and precise ballet of fire. When all the pieces are ready, integration begins. Automation and human handiwork, disparate parts, metallic and carbon, electronic components, and countless lines of code. It all must come perfectly together to wrestle white-hot combustion into delicate, controlled orbital flight. And once we send our completed rocket to the runway to make its final journey, the story begins again. Human hands and superhuman automation moving in perfect sync. Winding, curing, printing, milling, drilling, inspecting, spraying, plumbing, programming, corking, and painting our way to outer space.